Hello guys, again welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a cord bracelet. This decorative idea will help you to make another cord bracelet. Things we need: black cord and plastic cord. For decoration I am using those. This is crab hook and hook. This is oxidized dice, tiny flower, oxidized flower. This is beads. We need jump ring. We need ashen. We need blue and black pearl bead. This is a jump ring. I'm using golden colors of jump ring. These hooks are basically used for secure the head. Now we are going to make it. Let's make. First we put the blue pearl bead into the cord, black cord, then a black, then again a blue pearl bead, then we put the flower, then again we put blue, black and blue. The sequence be like that. This is the first part. Now we will be knotting between blue and black beads like that. Do the same thing and at the other part. The upper portion is ready. Look, this look really good. Now we are going to do this, the lower part of this bracelet. Do like this. Decorate with those. Now attach this with this hoop. This hoop will secure the head of this two line. Do the same thing with the other part. Now attach a small pearl bead in this oxidized flower. Set the chain crab hook for finishing the bracelet. And it's done. Look how beautiful it's looking. Please try this at home and obviously comment down below. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell button to notify for more videos. Thank you guys. See you soon.